Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. My name is Cassidy, otherwise known as Curls and Eyeliner. And today I am mixing all of my foundations together. I have seen so many other YouTubers do it. It started, I think, 4 months ago by a pretty well-known YouTuber and former BuzzFeed person named Sophia Nygaard, I think that's how you pronounce it. But it is like taking the YouTube world by storm. I figured I'd try it out and see how it works out. So I have 8 different foundations to mix together. They are different formulas, slightly different shades. We'll see where this takes me. So if you want to see what the final product is, keep watching. And before we get into this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And there's also right here my logo in the corner. If you click that, it'll take you to subscribe too. Okay? All right, let's jump into this. Alright guys, welcome to my laboratory. I'm such a dork. Anyway, so today I am mixing these 9 foundations together. I have 4 high-end and 5 drugstore. They all are somewhere around the same shade, but they're not the same shade. It's hard for me to get shade matched. I'm talking a lot with my hands right now. So I want to see if I can find the right shade for me, mixing all these together. And I want to see what the formula is like. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we are gonna go ahead and slap this mixture on my face. Before I do that though, I want to give it a fair chance, so I'm gonna prime. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime in 100. Blur+Smooth. It is actually my favorite primer as of right now. I'm so sad I didn't have it during my drugstore video, but what you gonna do? So I'm not gonna lie, I am actually terrified to see what this color match looks like on me. good because it's a mix of all of my colors that I normally use, but maybe not, we'll see. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Morphe cleaning sponge and start working this in. Guys, I'm shook. I am shook. Like to the core. Its coverage is A1, and this color match is pretty bomb. But legit shook. That's it, I'm done. I'm done. I don't need to do any more. I don't need to do anything else ever again. This was perfect. What in the world? What in the world? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to finish my face. I'm gonna wear this throughout the day. I'm gonna come back at the end of the day and I'm going to give my final verdict. Okay? Okay. Hey. Hey. How you doing? Hey. Alright, what's up guys? I am back. I'm back. I did not have a full day at all. I lounged around. I did a photo shoot in my bedroom. I did a photo shoot out in the snow. I ate. I did nothing. But I sat around the house with this makeup on all day so that I could see how this foundation worked. And my verdict stands as it did in the try-on phase. I'm shook. Legit. Let me pull my hair back real quick. Like, I am legit shook. Turn the light on. But I normally am an oily mess by the end of the day, like complete and total oil slick. Sorry, my lace is like starting to lift and whatnot. I'm on the struggle bus. There we go. There we go. Now I look decent. Anyway, so by the end of the day, I am the BP oil spill on the Gulf. That's how I look. It's rough. But honestly, I have not touched up my face with powder at all today. Nothing. And I look like I'm glowing from within. I don't look super oily. Like there is a little bit of buildup or breakthrough right behind my nose there. But that's it. That is legitimately it. The color match immediately was perfect. Even when it dried down, it didn't like oxidize or do anything crazy. The color match was perfect for my face. The formula, when first trying on, was kind of thick. I did use this Shea Moisture Serum Foundation, a stick foundation, and then the LA Girl Illuminating Foundation. So that, you know, those probably are what kind of made it a little bit thick. And my Clinique foundation, because it does also double as a concealer. Those probably made it a little bit thicker. But then I had, you know, my black Radiance foundation, which dries down pretty much matte. My Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless. My Revlon, which is hella matte. My TooFaced, which is Radiant Matte. And the Makeup Forever, which also dries down matte. So, you know, it balanced itself out really good. And then, like, all of the colors that I have are somewhat close to my skin tone. So when I mixed them all together, it was like the perfect marriage of color for my face. Like, shout out to Sophia for deciding to do this, for being the mad scientist that she is, because this was like the best trend that could have swept YouTube, honestly. Like, I am legit so satisfied with my foundation today. Like, I don't want to take it off, but I kind of want to chill and do a face mask, so I'm going to take it off. But, like, this was legit. I'm shook to my core. Like, I'm so satisfied. I will probably be mixing these together more often. Probably not all 9 of them, because that is time consuming, but I might go get a little bottle and mix all 9 of them so that I have it on hand, because it's legit awesome. The only cons were the texture when first applying, the smell when you first apply it. The smell did fade, wasn't nothing crazy, skin didn't burn, anything like that. It was just, it smelled like a whole bunch of foundations being mixed together. Nothing major. I kind of suggest that you try those. I do. Like, it may work for you, it may not work for you, depending on how many different foundations you have. You may only have one. I don't know. But if you have multiple foundations, mix them together, see how it works for you. So that's all I have for this video. I'm so aggy. I'm so aggy. Why am I like this? Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, give yourself a round of applause. Yes. Yes. How about you do me a solid and click that video right there. That one. Yep. Thanks. And in the meantime and in between time, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.